What is going on, everyone? Mega here, and it has been a while since we have done another devlog. So it is time for another devlog, and I apologize for how long it's been since we have done a devlog. I was dealing with some stuff, and I wasn't able to do one. So, mm, as always, before we begin diving into our devlog, just a reminder that if you haven't already mm, done done so, we have a Discord server that we use just like like a general chat for if you want to talk with me or like one of our other developers. You can find that link in the description, as well as if you want to check us out on Twitter. We have a new Twitter that we use for our projects. The link will also be in the description, and also mm, just a just a a reminder, if you want to support these projects, we'll have the link to pretty much everything that you can think of, like the playlist for this for our devlogs will be in the description, and just like pretty much everything will be in the description as always. So I just wanted to just do that quick little reminder at the beginning, it, just for everyone. All right, now that's all the way for this devlog. We don't really have. I'm not really gonna be. We're not gonna be doing anything with the game itself. We're gonna do something a little bit different, because we have some big updates that are outside of the game. So I figured instead of just showing the game, we'll do things outside of the game for once. And so the major update is that our May release of our game is now on itch. You can download the game right now, and that's gonna bring us to our major update. Before the game, there was a free demo of the game out on itch, but eventually, once the game was finished, there was going to be a price on the game. That has changed. The game that is on itch now, it is no longer a demo. It is the actual game. We decided that rather than going to a demo approach and then going and then once the game is finished to put a price on the game, we decided that it would be more beneficial to just make the game free. And so so every month the game will be updated, and once all the updates are finished, the final update will be the final version of the game, and that will be the complete game. We will not be adding any chart, any price on the game. This the game that's on itch is the actual game. And so every month there is going to be some patch notes, which I have outlined in here. In this update, we have added our newest character, which is Mika Isadora, our student council president, and I actually added it to the itch page. So I'm just gonna pull it up, and this is her right here, and this also demonstrates the newest background for the in the game, and that was kind of why I decided to do it outside of the game, because I wanted to do things a little bit different this time, and I was able to do the same thing that I was if I was in the game. And so yeah, so Mika Isadora has been added to the game. We also did some major dialogue editing. So the the dialogue is more condensed. Well, what I mean by that is that more text is within one text box, and what this allows is that there is fewer fewer text boxes being used, and so like the game, the dialogue doesn't feel like it's cut off to like make it fit in the text box pretty much. The reason why it was like that is because before I was using a a history menu that the actual screen was smaller than what I'm using now. So what I was able to do is because I was able to make the screen for the history menu larger to pretty much fill the whole screen. I was able to fit a lot more text within one line of the history menu without it looking weird, and that's why initially it was all cut up like that. And so less text boxes are being used. And as I mentioned, the game is now free, and there is an option to donate to the game. So if you want to donate to the game, you can do so right on itch. So, and because the game is free, you may be wondering why is there a Patreon and a Coffee. So the reason for the game funding is we're gonna be the purposes of it is that we eventually want to, once the game is finished, we would like to at some point do a re-release of the game with much better art. As you can probably tell, like I'm a 3D artist, not a 2D artist. And I've been doing the 2D art out of necessity, but it's not my forte. So the art is much to be I'm trying to get the right framework. So the art can be much better than what it is, pretty much. And as you can probably notice, is that the background art is much better than the character art. And so that's where we're mainly gonna. That's mainly where the art improvement would be in. We would hire an artist who can do much better character art than I can. And so yeah, and so for signing up to the Coffee, you will get the same things as before. You will get the access to our private Discord server. You will get early previews of the CGs and characters. You will also get the monthly build of the game earlier than when it comes on itch. So you get to play the game before everyone else, pretty much. And so yeah, and I just wanted to quickly go over to the Patreon, and this I actually created a public post about this on the Patreon that we have decided to make the game 100% free, and rather than going on sale, the game will always be free. And by supporting by signing up to either the Patreon or the Coffee, you are supporting the project and helping to for funding to hire this artist that we hope to hire once the game is finished. And so yeah, that's pretty much what I have. Due to everything that I've been going through lately, I haven't been able to work on the other project, but things are starting to get better for me. So I hope to be able to work on the other project again soon. But so right now, the visual novel project, the Hypnotist experiment, is the focus for me right now. So yeah, that's gonna do it for this devlog. This has been Mega, and I will see you again next time.